Morning guys, in front of me is Motorola Moto G85 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first, open new message. Click on Start Chat to see your current keyboard, select Settings to change it, mark Languages and tap Add Keyboard. Choose the language that you want to apply. You can either scroll all the way down till you find the preferred one, or in search area you can look for it. And if you want to apply this one, tap on Done. Now you can remove unnecessary languages by tapping on Edit. Just select them and tap on Bin icon. And let's stay with both languages so you can see how to switch between them. And now you can smoothly switch between both languages by tapping on the sword icon. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.